The next is to find the coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7 and a minus 2b the whole raised to 12. So here also what I have to do is I want to write the general term tr plus 1. Tr plus 1 by formula it is ncr a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Write the value of a, b and r. What is a? A is a itself, the first term in the bracket. What is b? B is the second term including the sign, so it is minus 2b. And what is n? N is equal to the power, which is 12. So substituting the value, what I get? 12cr a raised to a is a itself. So a raised to n minus r gives you 12 minus r into b raised to r. B is minus 2b the whole raised to r. Okay, so now we have to find the value of r by comparing the given term or the general term with the coefficient which we have to find. So if I simplify this, 12cr into a raised to 12 minus r. There is no simplification for these two. Into here I can write minus 2 the whole raised to r into b raised to r, isn't it? So if I am collecting the constants together, 12cr will be a constant, minus 2 raised to r will be a constant, and the coefficient is, and the variables are a raised to 12 minus r into b raised to r. So what we require is the coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7. Okay, and what we are getting from the general term is a raised to 12 minus r into b raised to r. So if I want to write as the previous question, I can write coefficient of a raised to 12 minus r into b raised to r is equal to 12cr into minus 2 raised to r. Okay, I want to find the coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7. So a raised to 5 into b raised to 7. So we have the coefficient of a raised to 12 minus r into b raised to r. We require the coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7. So just compare either the power of a or the power of b. If I compare power of a, I am getting 12 minus r is equal to 5. 12 minus r is equal to 5. If I take r to the right side and 5 to the left side, what I get is 12 minus 5 is equal to r, that is 7 is equal to r. Otherwise, if I compare the power of b directly, I will be getting the value of r as 7. So to find the coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7, what I need to do is, here on the right side, we have to substitute the value of r as 7. So 12c7 into minus 2 raised to 7. Okay. 12c7 is 12 into 12c7 is the same as 12c5 by the property of combination. 12 from where I got 5 is 12 minus 7 gives you the value 5. 12c5 into minus 2 raised to 7. So I am going to expand this term. So 12 into, we have to write 5 terms starting with the 12 and the descending order. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. 5 numbers, 5 integers I wrote in the descending order starting with the 12. Again, denominator I have to write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Negative raised to 7. An odd number will give you negative. So negative is there. And again 2 raised to 7 is 2 into 2 into 7 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times. Okay. Again cancel the terms. 4 into 2 is 8. So I can cancel 3 terms. 3 2's. Again 3, 5 and 10 can be cancelled giving you 2. Again 3 and 9 get cancelled giving you 3. So what I get is 12 into 11 into 3 into 2 gives you 6 into 8. There is a negative here. So I am putting it in at the first into 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. And the product of these terms is 1, 0, 1, 3, 7, 6. And there is a negative here. So I have to put the negative value also. So the answer is negative 1,1376. So the coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7 is negative 101,376.